Hi, I'm Robert Varden. You know, I've been in the floor covering business for over 30 years. And just when I think I've seen everything, along comes the most revolutionary tool to ever hit our industry. I'm talking, of course, about the Kool system. This system takes us decades beyond that hot, smoking, messy iron that many installers still use today for seaming and repairing carpet. Not only are these irons bad for you and your customer, but also for the environment. What's so revolutionary about the Kool? Well, first off, the tool never gets hot, so there's no burning yourself or the carpet should the tool accidentally get knocked over. Second, the Kool never comes in contact with the tape, so there's no messy adhesive buildup, drips, or trays to have to clean. Kool is very simple to use, but it does take some getting used to. So let's watch this 5-minute instructional video. I think it may just change the way you install floor coverings forever. Hello, Robert Varden again. Now that you know how to operate this unique system, let's go through just a few of the many things that you can do with this incredible system. For instance, how about glue direct hardwood installation? For bonding applications, such as hardwood, the tool works in conjunction with a proprietary tape called utility tape from Seam Master Industries. The utility tape has a pressure-sensitive adhesive on one side, and the opposite side of the tape has a hot melt adhesive. When activated by the Kool tool, an aggressive bond is created by both the pressure-sensitive adhesive as well as the hot melt adhesive. Utility tape can be applied to the substrate with the pressure-sensitive side down, or it can be also placed with the pressure-sensitive side to the board. Apply the pressure-sensitive side to the smoothest of the two surfaces to be bonded. There is more hot melt to allow for minor undulations or differences in your substrates. Test results have shown that the utility tape has 10 to 15% stronger shear strength than that of construction adhesive. As with any adhesive type installation, make sure your surface is clean, flat, and free of contaminants. For direct glue hardwood installations, the Kool and utility tape can be used to fasten starter rows at the center of a room on spreads of wider than 20 feet, with the starter rows against the wall, and your finish rows. The use of utility tape eliminates the need to place a temporary backer row on concrete or wood substrates, which is traditionally used to maintain a straight line for properly racked installations, thus enabling the installer to maximize their output of installation. There is no need to set or remove a temporary backer or wait for adhesive to set up. Once the starter or finish rows have been activated by the Kool tool and tape, no further preparation or wait time is necessary. Using this system eliminates face nailing and, of course, having to go back and use putty to fill the nail holes. The Kool tool is also great for use on radiant heated systems, as there are no fasteners required. At the starting point, activate the tool. The green light will turn on. Always wait for the green light to turn off before moving to the next activation spot. Then mark at the reference point in the front, move the tool forward to the back reference mark, and activate the tool. Follow this same procedure till you reach the end of your tape. Press firmly or use a rubber roller behind the tool after the hot melt tape has been activated to bond the wood to the substrate. You know, while we use the standard Kool Pro tool here today, Kool does now make a tool designed more specifically for hard surface installation called the Kool Pro W. The significant difference there is the bottom. The bottom on the wood tool is blue in color, but more importantly than that, it has no ridges, as on the original Pro tool. This allows for deeper penetration when working with materials in excess of 3/4 of an inch. So, once again, just one more installation step made easier with the Kool system. I thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you again on another segment of Kool Glide installation. Thank you.